Ignition sequence starts. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Hey everybody, this is the Digital Asset Investor, and I wanted to talk to you about how the Ripple XRP investment fund approvals have begun. Today I saw this article, Crypto Fund Wins License from Swiss Markets Watchdog. Now, I have made the point to you in the past that all this talk of SEC, is SEC going to call XRP a security, or is the SEC going to approve this Bitcoin fund or that Bitcoin ETF? And I've said all along that those are all just completely wasted worries. And the reason they're wasted worries is because whether it comes from the United States or it comes from Canada or it comes from Switzerland or Iceland or wherever else, it's coming. The investment vehicles, the investment vehicles that are going to be repackaged for crypto that have existed for many years, such as mutual funds, ETFs, investment funds of various kinds, all sorts of things, futures, you name it. They're going to be created, and the United States is not going to be left behind. Today, I'm giving you an example of this. This is happening in Switzerland. And this is a Zug-based crypto finance AG announced on Tuesday that the Swiss Financial Market Supervisory Authority has given the green light to its subsidiary Crypto Fund AG to legally act as an asset manager. And so all that's happening is in different parts of the world. We're seeing flashes of approvals here and there, and although these approvals, like this Swiss approval, it may not be the one that causes the spark in the market to go crazy with cryptocurrencies and the bull market crank back up. But at some point, it could be the United States, it could be Canada, but at some point, when the world finally realizes that no country is going to be left behind, right now it may just be Switzerland, but tomorrow it'll be the United States. And at some point, that spark is going to be lit. Well, as long as we're talking about this Crypto Fund AG, I decided that I would look a little bit deeper into it to see if it applied to you and I as XRP and Ripple holders specifically and wasn't just a fund of, say, Bitcoin. So, first thing I did is I went to their website. This is cryptofinance.ch is their website. On the About Us page, Crypto Finance AG is a financial technology holding company founded in June 2017. The group provides blockchain-related services through its 3 subsidiaries, Crypto Fund AG Asset Management, Crypto Fund AG Brokerage, and Crypto Storage AG Storage. All right, I decided to go find this fund they're talking about on their website, and I did. I found the fact sheet on their website. This is where it gets pretty interesting, and it tells you that they do invest in crypto, cryptocurrencies. But along in here, the minimum subscription, $100,000 US. So what I want you to do is think about your investment in XRP for a minute as I go through this, because imagine this is just one fund in Switzerland. This is just one fund. But imagine thousands of funds across the world where there are investors who are not as sophisticated as you and I, who thought it was too risky to go through a Coinbase or a Binance, and they never would go down that route. Well, this is opening this market up to those people. And those people, many of them are older and sophisticated investors with a lot of money. And you literally, as I've told you many times over, if this is only open to $100,000 to get in on this one fund, just think of the trillions of dollars that's coming just in the newness of this asset class. And like I've said many times before, we're just right here. We are only talking about Wall Street and the Wall Streets of other countries. We are only talking about that investment money coming in because of this new asset class. We're not talking about things like use case. We're not talking about any of the multiple of other reasons, whether it's SWIFT that's so controversial right now. We're not talking about any of the multiple things. We're not talking about coil. We're not talking about any of the use cases that are yet to be determined that are coming for XRP. We're only talking about Wall Street here. This alone is massive. It's $20 to $100 trillion massive. This alone. I'm going to keep going and show you a few more interesting things. So just imagine they give you the weighting of this one fund, 12.05% Ripple. Okay? And it says this fund's considered high risk investment. Volatility returns high. The fund invests in crypto assets and is therefore subject to high volatility. Truth is, it's volatile now, but once you have $20 to $40 trillion in it, it's not going to be volatile. It won't be any more volatile than the stock market at that point. That's the thing they never tell you. Until these investment products and this industry matures, you're going to be scared and volatile. But the more money that comes into it, the less that you're going to hear that talk. But that's not the point of this video. Keep going. I wanted to show you just a couple of more interesting things. Well, for now, it looks like they've been down in the Caymans. But I wanted to show you who the custodian for this is. Banker, executing broker, and custodian. Bank Frick. Remember where Bank Frick is? Yes, you guessed it. Liechtenstein is where Bank Frick is. And so I just wanted to kind of show you that to let you know that, I didn't even notice this, but look at this. For share class C, the minimum subscription is $1 million USD. B is 100,000, and the C is $1 million. And so, but anyway, it seems that all roads are leading back to Liechtenstein. So that's going to have to be our meetup place when we are all proven right on this. I am the digital asset investor. I'm not an investment advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Subscribe, hit the like button. Tell your friends and family that the digital asset investor is here to talk about digital assets and more specifically Ripple XRP. Thank you for listening.